Hello everyone. We are here with a new free Udemy tutorial for you, which is Android application developer in 7 days with practical. This is best-selling course on Udemy website. Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel and share this tutorial with others, and keep watching our channel for new courses and tutorials. In this step-by-step tutorial you will learn about Java in deep. Make any Android app you like. Your only limit is your imagination. Accelerate your career as Android programmer. There is no previous programming experience is required. I will teach you what you need to know. Just you need a computer running Microsoft Windows or Linux, or a Mac running OS X and basic command on computer. In this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of Android and build an application. I will walk you through downloading the necessary software, Android Studio and the Java Development Kit, teach you the fundamentals of programming, and at the end we will build 2 Android apps. You will accomplish all this in 7 days. Anyone who wants to be an app developer, this is a complete course, just like my complete web, iOS, and Apple Watch courses. It will teach you how to make money from your apps as well as how to code. Anyone who wants to learn to code, Java is a fantastic language to learn how to code with. To download this complete course for free, link is available in below description. You can easily download this complete course from below link and watch offline, and also do the practice same time for best learning. Please subscribe to our channel and share this tutorial with others, and keep watching our channel for new courses and tutorials. So let's start.